Good evening, YouTube modeling community. This is the Box Stop Mauler. I'd like to thank everybody for watching, viewing. Appreciate it. I am still working on the 16th scale AMT Thunderbird for Cale, Yarborough. Rear chassis just got put in. Working on towards the front. Engine, still working on wiring as far as the hoses they got. And got a couple of the wheels and tire assemblies done. But as you can see, my workspace is a little bit crowded. I may be a Ford man. I like most cars, but I'm more of a Ford man, but I do have a Hemi. And this is him, Hershey. He's been my buddy most of the day today. It's being lazy, but this is progress on the AMT Thunderbird. Once I get that done, I'm going to probably work on this one. This is a kit I've had for quite some time. Next in line on my list, Motorsport Mustang IMSA Racer. Kind of looking forward to working on that. But this is the Box Stop Mauler signing off. Thank you for watching. Any comments, likes, dislikes, any issues that I'm doing wrong? But Hershey, oh lazy boy. This is the Box Stop Mauler signing off. Model on, people.